recipient of the 2023 Lifetime Achievement Award, Mr. Peter Cullen.
A time to thank my many Transformer fans and friends with all my heart. We are one.
I am Optimus Prime.